Okay, everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make 3D trapezoid in Sketchup. First of all, we have to make a rectangle with any size. Okay, then we can use protector. You can set the angle. Around 75. It just depend on our taste anyway. We can set the another side 75 degree also, so it will be like this, and we can just select the line to complete the basic shape of trapezoid. Then okay, something like this. So this is trapezoid shape, basic shape anyway. Then we can also delete the another side and the another line. Okay, maybe we can we can select this and right click and erase, and also in the another side select, right click and erase. Then we can erase some unnecessary guideline over there. We can select it first, then we can right click and just erase it. Okay, and after that we can use a push pull tool to make a 3D trapezoid, to make a 3D of trapezoid over there. Then we can also adjust the another side of the trapezoid. We can explore about it. For example, we can duplicate it to the another position. We can select all, then we can use move and press Control on our keyboard. Over there we can move to the another side and move to the another side to make some exploration about it. Okay, first of all we can make the we can select this line, and then we can move it to the upper position or drop position anyway. And also we can explore this second shape. We can select this shape and we can move it, bring it to the to the left or right side as we want anyway. Maybe we can use this. Okay, then and after that we can um, make another exploration with this line anyway. We can make another exploration with this line. We can move, and we can adjust it. Okay, it's just a basic step if we want to adjust the shape in SketchUp. Okay, maybe something like this, and it about the 3D trapezoid in SketchUp, how to explore it. Okay, then we can make it all to be a one group and make it this component to be one group. Right click and make group, and also we can adjust with the another with the various material of it. So this is just trapezoid exploration in SketchUp for beginner and basic. Okay, I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you to start learning SketchUp from scratch, and keep learning and keep exercise of yourself, because SketchUp is easy tool to use it. Okay, thanks for watching and wait for my next video. Thank you.